Hello everyone, welcome, thanks for joining my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't yet. In this video, we are going to do a quick showdown. You guys can be a judge. On my right corner, here we have the cute Magic Bullet with the price tag of $30. Has a capacity of 2 cups, horsepower of 0.33, and a maximum RPM about 20,000. And here on my left is the almighty Vitamix A3500 with a price tag of $600, capacity of easy 8 cups, horsepower rating of 2.2 horsepower, and a maximum RPM speed around 23,000 RPM. Alright, let's get blending! Alright, we're gonna make a simple smoothie. Here we have bananas, milk, mango, and strawberries. We'll put half a banana in. About 3 mango chunks. And 3 strawberries. Now we'll put about 1 cup of milk. Perfect. Now we can start blending. That's about 15 seconds. Now for the Vitamix. Here on this plate I have 3 times the amount. I have a banana and a half, 6 mango chunks, and 6 strawberries. Let's load this up. Just like that. Now we're gonna add 3 cups of milk. We're going to have a smoothie party. Come on over. Okay, that's the last cup. Here on this blender, we have a smoothie function. We'll take 50 seconds to finish, which is approximately 3 times the time we spent on the Magic Bullet. So let's get blending. Alright, the blend has been completed. Once again, you guys will be the judge on which blender is the better one. But who knows, you might even want both of these. So here on my right, we have the Magic Bullet, good for blending, blend and go as you please. And here on my left, we have the Vitamix, good for smoothie parties and families. Now we will compare the results. I'm going to pour them into the bowl. I'm going to start off with the Magic Bullet first. Now for the Vitamix. They both look the same. So as you can see, this one has more foam, and this one has less foam. Now, I'm going to do a taste test. This one tastes a little bit more thicker than the other. If I added less milk to both of these smoothies, both of them will be nice and thick. And for the Vitamix, especially for the Vitamix, it will have a texture feeling like a commercial grade. For myself, it's good to have both of these blenders. The Magic Bullet's quick and convenient. And for the Vitamix, it's good for families and parties. Not only that, it can make franchise quality like smoothies. Mwah, so delicious. Alright, thank you guys for watching these videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time. Ooh.